Hello everyone. In the next few minutes I'm going to review what we have done for the landing page. So I'm going to look at each of yours landing page from last week. I know some of you are still working on that, so I'm going to click on the one already finished or working in progress. Matchy actually did a great job, so this is what I expect with the title of your names, your blog. Here it goes to her blogs. She putting her reading summary and whatever she think is important reading or learning record, and then the lab projects is linking here. In the next couple weeks we're going to link lab 1, which is the family website, and then lab 2 would be the practice you are doing along the chapters, so you can link here, and then the projects, organization projects, and then 3 website you like, and you describe why you think you like it, and about each of the websites should be linked. If I click on here, and it's actually open another window for me, and so it's not override my current window. So how did she do that is in the link, she select the target equal to underscore blank to make sure that's open another tab. Okay, and this is a website she don't like, and then she described the reason. So the reason comes from the reading usability.org .gov website we assigned to read from last week, using the terminology there to discuss the usability issues. Okay, and another one is get pretty much complete, as well as Matt. I think Matt, you are still need to put in some of the website you like, you don't like, but the basic structure is here already. So that's the quick overview of what I expect, what you should complete